And finally, at the bottom of the page is example 3. Now this is the power of a product property. And here's what we have here. We have a 2 times 3. And I know a lot of people are going to be able to figure this out. This is 6 to the third power. But we're going to try just using this property so that when we have variables, we can do it a little bit easier. What we're saying here is this cube here is going to apply to this, and it's going to apply to this. So it's 2 to the third power times 3 to the third power. This 3 came from right there, and that 3 came from right there. So the product, or the property we used, was the power of a product property. Now, this one actually can be solved. And here's how we would solve it. We'd say 2 to the third power is 8. 3 to the third power is 27. And when that gets all done, it comes to 216. Now you could check this in your calculator. If you had done 6 to the third power, that still comes to 216. Now, let's try it with variables. So again, this square out here is going to apply to everything inside the parentheses. So the square is going to apply to that, and to that. So this is 9 squared times x squared times y squared. Now what we do is we evaluate this as much as we can. X squared you can't really do anything with. Y squared you can't do anything with. But we can do 9 squared. So here's what we know is we know this is 81 times x squared, and we don't have to have the times symbol there, times y squared. And this is as good as we can get, 81 x squared y squared.